We very much appreciated the crucial role played by you, Mr. President, your government, the role that Kenya as a whole has played in Ethiopia. We stand with Kenya in fostering peace, development, and cooperation so that the entire region can go towards development and peace, which of course clashes are a huge obstacle too. Kenya and Italy, as we mentioned this morning, once again, Mr. President, share a vision regarding international relations, a vision based on multilateralism, on the search for dialogue and peace. We share the refusal to war and aggression. That's why Italy has supported firmly the presence of Kenya within the United Nations Security Council, which was extremely successful. Italy considers Kenya to be a virtuous example of democracy, and it is a model for social and economic development. The strengthening of our relations was something we discussed during our meeting this morning, and we are very much on the same page in terms of our intentions and in terms of the way forward.
We made a deliberate decision as a nation that we will slow down the exploitation of our hydrocarbons. And we have made a deliberate drive to green energy. And that is why 92% of our grid is renewable energy. I urge all other countries still in the business of exploiting hydrocarbons to change course and join the rest of the globe in marching towards green energy. Secondly, as a country, we have a robust program of planting 15 billion trees in our nation as part of our contribution on managing our environment. It is the reason why President Mattarella and I were having a conversation about climate change and about climate financing. The best way to encourage reasonable migration and ensuring that there is equitable development everywhere in the globe is to make sure that there are opportunities everywhere in the globe. The conversation we are having with the EU is on how they can support us in the continent to unlock the huge possibilities to our young people. The government of Italy has also committed to advance 100 million euros in grants and soft loans covering projects in agriculture, development of MSMEs, housing and urban settlement, health, the digital superhighway, and the creative economy. We further committed to cooperate in enhancing our informal settlement redevelopment program, which our two countries recently launched to facilitate security of land tenure in informal settlements in various counties, including Kilifi, Siaya, and Ngong municipalities. And further, this is an opportunity to appreciate Italy for the Debt for Development program, which has provided tremendous support of water, health, education, and urban development programs. Our two countries, at political and technical levels, agreed to remove non-tariff barriers and to promote greater trade and increased investment, including negotiating avoidance of double taxation agreement, which will usher in significant high levels of foreign direct investment in various sectors by both public and private Italian companies. I am delighted to announce that the President of Italy, President Mattarella and I witnessed the signing of 2 agreements, 2 MOUs, and a joint declaration to provide a framework for advancement of bilateral cooperation in different fields. We have signed an MOU through which our 2 countries shall cooperate in the fields of health towards the realization of universal health coverage and improved pharmaceutical production. We have also signed an MOU on bilateral consultations that will be established and set guidelines for the conduct of political consultations at the respective ministries of foreign affairs. We've also committed in good faith to re-establish cooperation on the construction of Aror, Kimorer, and Ire dams and other water and sanitation projects which are critical to our agenda on food security, delivery of water, and climate action.
Let's move into